here for 30 seconds, okay, everyone? Dazzle Digits, thank you. Oh, did you get the Easter mix bag in the mail? Oh, I'm so glad you like them. Do something with this and then don't forget to tag us so then we can feature you. This is so stunning. I can do anything with this. You can even do this for... And remember, you can stack them too. Maybe I do that one with butterfly. We'll see this foil gonna take me. Yeah, so cute. Do you sell the... Do you also sell the flowers, the dry flowers? Pretty Luna, the dry flowers? Do you mean this dry flowers? Yes. So when you go in, you will see, search for the dry flowers, Nuna. And it's so many in there. It probably 72 flowers in there. It's such a really amazing. So many different colors. There are two different kinds. One of the mix and one of that. Alright, let me see. I'm gonna try to do right there. I couldn't hold it. You know, I'm sorry with you. If you're doing this in a real clients, it's so much better than you doing it on this. Because I don't have anything stationary, so I can hold this down. Okay, great. It's come right off. We'll be right back, okay? Don't forget to turn right back in with me because the Instagram about to end. Hey Instagram, welcome back. Okay, so this one is already done, but if you want to layer them, here's a tip and trick. You can completely apply another coat of this and then layer them on this. I really like it. I'm trying to figure it out and see if I want to layer them or not, because it looks good. Okay, I don't want messing up with them. Looks so stunning. I'm gonna apply some crystal on it, and the crystal I am choosing is gonna be yellow. Get some smaller yellow. Condensed glue gel. Oh, and I am going to apply whole entire nails because again, I know I'm gonna start doing dress it up this everything. If you're first time using condensed glue gel, do not afraid to blend them out because they're thick density, so you can blend them to make them nice and thin down. But is the purpose of this and the benefit of it is massive. So it holds your flat back and your 3D in a really nice place. So I have my Diamond Dust Pixie right here. I'm gonna try to use some of this. I think I get some idea with that. Don't let me forget the top coat again, because I don't think I put the top coat again. No white top coat. Need smaller size and too big. Okay. I didn't forget the top this time. I couldn't believe that I do forget, but hey, I'm only human being, and things happen. My gold beads. No gold beads. I want to using this. Using my bar right there. This feel funny. Not bad. You know, when everybody was telling you, why you make it so easy? I don't. It's just like I'm doing it right here with you. That's the reason why I'm doing live, because it's so much easier. The products is so easy to work with. That's why I can able to do it so much easier. I'm doing it right in front of you. And you know, another tip and trick for you from a pro I would love to share is the thing that sometimes I'm not thinking of what is gonna be turn out good or bad or be pretty. I just do it. What the worst thing you do, you learn something new, and just in case that it doesn't turn out the way you say, oh wow, you learn something and then you're not doing it next time, or you're doing next time but you're doing better. That's about me. So I'm not afraid of to try anything new, anything will be good. If any of you will tell me to try this, I will doing that. I'm trying. The butterfly looks weird, but hey, I'm training our mind to become different. Let's see. It's funny, I even say it's weird. Maybe because me looking at it and I think it weird, but it looks cute though. The butterfly looks cute. I just want some yellow. This is my favorite flower, tulips. Tulip is my favorite flowers. Can't see it from far away here. One more. Okay. I'm brave enough to try something cool and new. Use diamond dust pixie, the same pixie that I just did. What is that? This weekend is time a daylight saving. This weekend, everyone. I like that. If you don't like it, that's okay, because I do it for you. So you can like accept it, like it, or you don't. I'm okay with that. But I like it so much. Okay. I'm happy with this now, and under lamp for about 60 seconds. Hold on. Sorry. I said I'm done, but I'm not done. Because let me try this. See, I'm breathed enough. Let's try this one. Too long. I put the bar on it. Okay, because it's only that bar. So one's a little one. Hold on. I'm gonna keep this one right here. Good. Okay. In the lamp for about 60 seconds, and then I will go back with the precision glue, and this look is gonna be completely done, ladies and gentlemen. Sorry, my hands all over places. Why are you tired? What are you tired? Those are dishes. Thank you so much. I love it. So cute though. So see, it's something like this. And that's what happened in this class. It's going on in Ann Arbor. It's not only we got to learn basics, from basic to advanced also. It's really train your challenge and train you and challenge you to do something that you were never thinking you're gonna do, and it's gonna look good because we keep doing it like the same, you know, things that over and over. Is something gonna just make it look different, and just try to do that. I'm gonna do this, put this in the cup there, so then not cup, the bottle, so I won't spill it again. Look at that, I just spilled it right here next to me. Right here, I spilled whole entire tray. You don't see it because this was behind the scene. Precision glue. I'm gonna using this and just squeeze just a little bit. When do you need to use it? When you feel scratchy and then a lot of elements on the client's nails, a lot of crystal, I would definitely do that because it will save you so much. And you can sit back, you and your customer can really sit back and relax and ensure that the crystal will stay on not only 3 weeks, longer than that, 4 to 6 weeks. But you're saying 3 weeks because you don't want clients going off 6 weeks. They are gonna come back and get their nails done. They can't wait for 6 weeks. I can't wait for my nails for 6 weeks. I'm dying. So I'm sealing really nicely here. Just each time you squeeze just a little bit. And here, tip and trick. I am going to using my twin tip brush and blend this one down, because sometimes you fill it in and it will extra than you're supposed to, and just blend it. Diamond Dust Pixie stay really nice. I don't feel any of you. Of course, you feel its textures. That's how nice it is. But you don't feel, can't feel it catching anything. So under the lamp for about 60 seconds, and this now completely done. And this is really stunning. We're using a transfer foil and we layer with